Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another Tobias Reviews video. In this one, we're going to quickly unbox and take a first look at the oh-so-popular Seiko SARB035. Now, many people think that the 035 is a successor to the 033, but it's really not. The only difference between the two is the dial color, in which case the 035 has the cream white dial and the 033 has just the normal black dial. So in all other specs, they are the same movement, the same case, the same bracelet, etc. Now this watch is part of the Seiko SARB lineup of watches, which means it's intended to be sold exclusively in the Japanese market. And to get your hands on those watches, you usually had to import them via a Japanese dealer, but nowadays many international dealers are stocking these just because they're so popular. So you will be able to find these watches at international stores like Long Island Watch. So in terms of the unboxing experience, well, I bought this watch used, so this will not be the exact same for you if you buy yours new. So you have got your usual Seiko outer and now inner box, together with the super boring and ugly looking instructions manual and the warranty card here, or the certificate. Now these look very ugly, but yeah, that's Seiko for you. So opening up the inner box, you'll find the SARB035 tucked in there with the hanging tag if you buy it new, this right here. This hanging tag states the price, in this case 45,000 Japanese yen, and some specifications like it's got the movement and the timing stuff and all that. So here's the watch in all its glory. Let's just get this out and give you guys a close-up of the SARB035. Now right off the bat, this watch is a lot smaller than the ones that I usually wear, so it'll be interesting to see how well this fits my big wrist. So it's 38 millimeters in diameter. It's got sapphire glass up front, and it's got an exhibition styled case back with hardlex glass on the back, which means you can peek into the movement, which in this case is the caliber 6R15 with a rather good power reserve of 50 hours. It's got 23 joules and it's beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour, which is less than the usual 28,800 that we're used to, so the seconds hand isn't as smooth. However, this also leads to the movement getting less friction, which means longer service intervals, so that's the plus side to it. The watch is rated anywhere from plus 25 seconds to minus 15 seconds per day, which is obviously not on the level of COSC certified watches, but you're usually not going to see it go as far as plus 25. In most cases, you'll see anywhere from maybe, I'd say, minus 10 to plus maybe 12 to 15 seconds a day at most. But obviously some watches are going to run at plus 24, and that's okay, because this is a very well finished mechanical watch for just $400. You can't expect that much. But I'm obviously going to talk more about the movement in my final review of the watch. So as I said, this watch has a very nice finish to it. It's very well polished around the sides. There are no sharp edges anywhere. It's smooth, comfortable on the wrist, and just all around, as I said, nicely finished. And that's where I think most of your $400 go. So yeah, it's a great looking watch with a workhorse of a movement. So stay tuned for my review of the watch, which will come in about a week or two, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Peace.